Hello everyone, I'm Anna Vanila on the channel Anna Vanila Arts, where I'm doing a lot of creative things that I do every single day of my life, where I share my tricks and tips that you might not know, and hopefully my videos can be helpful to you, at least to a certain degree, if not fully, and hopefully you will have a good luck in doing your own things successfully and nicely. Now I do the elasticated band for the beret. It's in great colors, you can see. It's simple to make, even after many washes and wearing. This elasticated band should keep its shape. So the first loop we start with a purl, so we do a purl stitch. Then the second front loop, we grab it with the right needle, just like so, from the right side, and then we grab it fully, and then we knit the purl stitch. Then again, front stitch, we grab it like so, and then the purl stitch, and that's what you do until the end of this row. It's very simple to make. It's very simple to get used to this pattern. This might be a new pattern for you. Maybe you were doing different elasticated band for the hats at the bottom, and this creates just a wonderful, less stretchy elasticated band for the hat. In this case we are doing the beret hat, so it should be quite successful, hopefully, at the end of this video. And this is what we do until the end of the row, the end of this row. Now we are on the second row, the inside out of a hat and the back of a hat. We do not need the first loop, and we need the second loop with a purl stitch, because we see a purl stitch here, a front stitch, because a front stitch continues here, and you do the way you knit every single loop accordingly to what you see on the elasticated band. So you see front stitch, you do the front stitch. You see the purl stitch, you do the purl stitch, and you do this until the end of this row. Now we are back to the front of the beret hat, and we repeat the first row and the second row, and that's how you knit for about 3 or 5 centimeters, depending on how thick do you want the stretchy band to be. So you just repeat these 2 rows, and it will look just nice. I'm going to do about 5 centimeters. You can do as big as you like. To achieve such a beautiful, beautiful pattern, beautiful design like this one, is very easy to do indeed, and it's very simple, especially the first 2 rows. So this is a beret, so it needs to be a bit larger. Mine is 23 centimeters height. So we do 3 front stitches, 1, 2, 3, 3 purls, 1, 2, 3, 3 front stitches, 3, 3 purl stitches, and this is how we knit until the end of this row. So we finished the first row. This is the second row, which is the back of a hat. So we need 3 purls and 3 front stitches, 3 purl stitches, 3 front stitches, 3 purls, 3 front stitches. Like so, until the end of this row. Now we are on the third row, and now it's time for us to do these little holes here. You see, it's like an open work because of yarn over the needles, and you create this look on a hat on this pattern. So that's what you need to do, is do yarn over the needle, 3 together with a front stitch, yarn over the needle, 3 purls, yarn over the needle, 3 together, 3 loops together with a front stitch, yarn over the needle, 3 purls, yarn over the needle, 3 loops with a front stitch, we knit with a front stitch, yarn over the needle, 3 purls, and so on. It's very easy. Any beginner would be able to do this pattern. And we receive such a beautiful pattern, beautiful design, open work. Now this is 4th row, and it's very simple to do. So we knit the yarn overs with a purl stitch, like this is yarn over, purl stitch, purl stitch, purl stitch, front stitches, 3 front stitches, and then when you see a yarn over, you automatically have to knit as a purl stitch, and then you knit the second as purl stitch and the third as purl stitch. So we create yet again 3 purl stitches and 3 front stitches like we've done in the first couple of rows. This is a very simple design. It's easy to knit. It's almost visible how you need to do it. It's logical design, logical pattern. Like you see 3 purls, you knit 3 purls. You see front stitches, you knit front stitches. It's very easy and more like logical, really. You look at the pattern and you know how to do it. And we finish the row by knitting 3 purls and 3 front stitches, and so on. Then we repeat the first row, second, third and fourth all over again. Hello everyone, again, this is the finished project. This is the Beret hat. It turned out to be quite long, quite big, but it's a beret, so even if it's a bit loose at the back, it would still look nice. It is supposed to look like a beret. You see the stretch band is very nicely done. It isn't too stretchy and neither less stretchy, and this is the pattern, the open work we are doing. Hello everyone, this is my little 3D printed frog, which I love so much, is my companion here. And the hat itself, it's fantastic. I just love it. I've knitted with gray cotton yarn, so it's not too hot in the summer to wear such a thing, such a beret, and neither too warm. Not too warm and not too cold. It's actually quite nice in the evening to wear it and enjoy it. This is the back. This is a stitch at the back, which I've done it carefully from the front. I usually bond 2 pieces at the front. This is the back. As you can see, I've hidden a lot of yarn in here, a lot of odds and ends. The hat is tactile, is beautiful. I love the color, I love the pattern, I love the design. It's fantastic. I cannot wait to wear it and show it to you on my main channel, Vanila, where I wear all my items that I knit. And I hope when you knit this, it will turn out as good or even better than what I've got right now for you to see. This hat is fantastic. I love it. It's just perfect. And the patterns here could be used for anything else, other garments like jumpers and tops and all sorts. Even for summer season you can do a lovely pattern like so. It's fantastic. I just love it. I'm planning to do a top with the same pattern like this, and I'm going to show you soon how I make that. This is the front at the top, which I've done a careful job here. You see, I have added all the loops in one loop, big loop here, and it should work with any other outfit that you may wear. This particular color of yarn is classic. It can go with anything you'd like to wear, and I've knitted the identical hat like this in white. Maybe you've seen it on my channel again as well, and it looks equally as beautiful. It is also made from cotton yarn, but in sort of like milky shade, white milky shade, which is also quite beautiful. So here we go. I've got two hats with the same pattern. Please write to me if you like this pattern. Please put your likes and comment below. What would you like for me to do on my channel? What would interest you? And so that I can entertain you with whatever I can do. And don't forget that I have videos about drawing as well, if you might be interested in learning how to draw. I have a degree in drawing, so please don't be surprised that I also upload a lot of drawing videos where I show you how I do silhouettes, hearts, and all sorts of easy and comfortable designs, comfortable figures, and just anything simple that you might want to see. You can watch them on my channel. But here I also knit a lot, I will also knot a lot. So on this channel, Anna Vanilla Arts, and you will see and possibly learn a lot of new things that you might have not known, hopefully. And thank you for coming to my channel, for visiting my channel. You're welcome. I wish you good luck in your projects, and see you soon in the next video. Please subscribe and let's have fun together. Bye.